Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the position report intervals on the OnCourse application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen, and in the Tools section, click to the first option, the Settings. At the left side on the screen, go to the Reporting Intervals option, and go to the first button, the Position Report every 1 minute, 2 minutes or 5 minutes, and just select one and click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.